Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Viber. Viber is a cross-platform voice-over IP and instant messaging software application operated by a Japanese multinational company, Rakuten. It is available for Android, iOS, Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux platforms as well. In order to sign up for Viber, make sure you've installed the app first. Go to your Play Store for your Android or your App Store for your iOS and search for Viber. After you find the app, tap on the install button. Since I've already downloaded the app on my device, I'm gonna simply tap open the app. This is the first interface of Viber, which looks like this, pretty neat and clean. Now to start, tap on Start Now, and on the next page, you'll need to select your country first from the drop-down menu. Tap on your country and enter your phone number next. Once you do that, tap on Continue. Confirm that the number is yours. If you have mistakenly typed in the number, then now is the time. You can edit the number by simply tapping on Edit and type in the correct one first and tap Continue again. From the pop-up, after you are sure that this is the number you want to use for Viber, tap Yes. Allow access to Viber for your phone call logs. Wait for it to activate. Now for verification purpose, you'll be receiving a call. The code will be automatically entered once you receive the call from Viber. On the next page, you can upload a picture for yourself. From the options, you can take a picture from your camera or simply select a picture from your gallery. Simply tap on the picture and resize your picture you'd want to use for your Viber image and click on Save. After that, type in your full name and enter your date of birth next. Tap on OK after you're done, and if you want to receive updates from Viber, then tap on the circle, and after you're done, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. And that is it. You have signed up to Viber. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.